The before photos show the old RV linoleum and worn out carpet. The slide on the left comes in on top of the carpet. Our goal was to remove the linoleum and the long strip of carpet that goes below the slide out and install new vinyl flooring. We recorded as much of the project as possible to give you the general idea. However, we know there are many details missing. If you have questions or tips to share, we'll respond to all comments. Here's where we removed the old linoleum and started to cut out the carpet and the carpet padding. We also removed vent covers and any trim and hardware around the floor. We left about 6 inches of the carpet and carpet padding near the slide lip, which we would then remove once we lifted the slide from underneath. Now outside the RV, we used jacks and 2x4s on each end of the slide to lift it. We needed the slide up about 2 inches so we could remove the remaining carpet and padding from the outside. This also allowed room to work once we started laying the vinyl flooring. You can see the carpet and carpet padding sticking out. Pulling it out from the outside seemed to be the easiest method. Once we removed the carpet and carpet padding, we had to check the inside floorboards for staples to remove. Now we're looking at the corner of the slide from the interior. Underneath the slide we have about 2 inches of clearance to work, and here's where we start to lay the flooring. We began with this first piece in the corner because it seemed easier to start under the slide and get the fit right. We didn't think it'd be very easy to start at the opposite end and work towards the slide because that would make cuts and installation a lot more difficult. Lots of trial and error here on the right fit and cuts. Here's where a few rows were complete. This is when we got the hang of cutting and placing the planks. Some of the edges near the wall and cabinetry were hard to make close cuts, so we did end up putting trim. You'll see that later in the video. We got all the way to the opposite end by the entry door in a few hours, and the seams and edges look nice. We did caulk around the door, then screwed the door sill back on. A few weeks after installing the floor, we ordered this Insta-Trim off of Amazon to finish the edges around the walls and cabinetry. Caulking would also work to finish the edges where the flooring meets the walls. Here's the final product. In total, it took 2 people around 10 hours of work each over a couple of days. This was not an easy project, and there was lots of prep work and lots of trial and error. In the end, we have a revamped RV floor that is much easier to clean and maintain. We've had no issues with the slide coming in or out, but we do keep it very clean so we don't have rocks or anything that could potentially scratch the floor. We'll be posting more videos of other RV upgrades and improvements we've made, like taking out the dinette, as well as replacing the rear plug and cabinet. So keep an eye out for those, and please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.